Hey, good morning. It's Will with Church Webworks. I'm here in our offices in Renton, Washington to give you another short demo of version 5. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to use our blog wedge to get content from the blogs on your website to the front page. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click on the home button, which is going to allow us to edit the home page layout. And once I've done that, I'm going to come down here to this blue plus and click on that. Now, as we've talked about before, anytime you see a blue plus, it's going to allow you to add something to your website. So I'm going to click there, and I'm going to select from which wedge I want to add today. And of course, today I want to add the blog wedge. So I'm going to click there, click Add this wedge, and then I'm going to have a few preferences to fill out. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to title the blog, and I'm going to go ahead and title this wedge the New Spring Blog. And see, I already have it there, so click there, and then choose to display the wedge title. After that, I'm going to have a set of preferences to choose from. The first thing is what character length I want to display, so that's going to tell you how much of the blog post you want to show on the front page. I'm going to go with 100 characters. Next thing is how many of those blog posts you want to show on the home page. You can choose from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 10. And then what do you want the read more text to say? Now what that is, that's the small text at the end of the post that allows you to read the rest of it. And I'm going to go with read more. And after that, you get to choose from your which categories you want to display. And the reason we have that is because on version 5, you can actually have multiple blogs on your website. So this will allow you to choose from which blogs to pull posts from for the front of the homepage. And after that, finally, what we have is appearance options, and you can choose to display a thumbnail that's associated with each post, and you can display that on the left side of the post, on top of each post, or you can go with no thumbnail at all. And that's the option I'm going to choose for today. So I'm going to click there on no image and simply click save. And after I refresh my page here on the website, you'll be able to see that I've added excuse me, the New Spring Blog right there below the Connect with Facebook button. As you can see, it's formatted real nicely so people can easily interact with it and read with it. Click there to comment even. And that's how it works. Now the other thing I want to show you real briefly before we go is how the blog wedge, along with our other wedges, can resize by dragging it into a different area on the home page. So if I simply click on this move icon here and drag it up to the top area, which is, as you see, a wider wedge, and then I'm going to go ahead and fill that area in by dragging Contact Us over to it. Now watch this. As I refresh my page, it's going to not only move it, but it's going to automatically reform it to look good in the wider wedge area. As you see right there under the showcase wedge is my blog wedge, and the primary blog post is featured there, made a little bit larger with the other two on the side, interacts just the same, and down in its place the Contact Us wedge with interactive map. So that's how the blog wedge works. I hope you're looking forward to the launch of version 5 on April 5th, and keep in touch on Facebook and Twitter for more updates. Thanks. Have a great day.